students, I welcome you all in this video session of DAV Public School CCL Giridih. Today, I, Shashwati Mukherjee, is going to explain some of the topics of your first chapter of chemistry, that is chemical reaction and equation. In chemical reaction and equation, firstly I am going to discuss combination reaction today. Combination reaction. What is the meaning of combination reaction? When two or more substances combine to form a single substance, then that is known as a combination reaction. It is opposite of your decomposition reaction. What is decomposition reaction? When a single substance, or rather you can say that a compound, when a compound decomposes to give two or more new substance, then that is decomposition. And what is combination? When two or more substances are combining to form a new substance, then that is known as combination reaction. Here two or more substances are combining to form a new substance, that is known as combination reaction. You can take up any example. Write formation of ammonia from nitrogen and hydrogen. N2 plus 3H2 gives 2NH3. This is an example of combination reaction. Here you see nitrogen is combining with hydrogen under specific condition at near about 700 Kelvin and 200 atm pressure, and it is forming ammonia. So this is an example of combination reaction. Again you can take up the example hydrogen plus chlorine combine to give HCl. This is also an example of combination reaction. Hydrogen is combining with chlorine to form hydrogen chloride. Then again I am writing another example, hydrogen plus half oxygen also you can write. Hydrogen and oxygen combines to give water. This is also an example of combination reaction. Two elements are combining to form a new compound, that is combination reaction. If ammonia combines with with HCl, then what it will form? It will form ammonium chloride. This is also an example of combination reaction. Here ammonia is combining with HCl to form ammonium chloride. Then again you can take up an example when you add water to lime. Then what happens? Lime plus water forms calcium hydroxide. This is also an example of combination reaction. So students, my first topic was combination reaction. Whenever two or more substances combine to form a new substance, then it is known as combination reaction. Next, I am going to discuss displacement reaction. Displacement reaction. Displacement reaction means what? Means an element displaces another element and it takes up its position. It replaces another element and it is taking up its position. To understand this displacement reaction, students, you will have to recall the metal activity series. reactive element, that is potassium. KNaCaMg. You will have to remember that series. I am writing some of the elements in reactivity series. Just I am recalling some of the elements I am writing of reactivity series. Some of the elements of reactivity series I am writing. Elements in reactivity series: KNaCaMg, Al, Fe, then Cu, then Ag, Hg, Au, Pt. I have written some of the elements according to their decreasing reactivity. First of all, to study this displacement reaction, you will have to remember this reactivity series. Which is most reactive element? Which is more reactive than the other element? You will have to remember. In this reactivity series, you see that iron is MgAlZn. Iron is more reactive than copper, silver, mercury, gold, platinum. Next you see potassium is more reactive than all these. So the element which is present higher in the reactivity series, that will displace the element present in lower in the reactivity series. More reactive element will displace the less reactive element from its compound and form a new compound. This is known as displacement reaction. Again I am telling what is displacement reaction. A reaction in which atoms of one element displaces the atoms of another element and forms a new compound in the solution. I am giving you some examples, then it will be clear. Suppose you are given copper sulfate solution. Copper sulfate solution, if you are having copper sulfate solution. What is the color of copper sulfate solution, students? The color of copper sulfate solution is blue, Prussian blue, blue color solution. Now, if you are adding some zinc granules, what you are adding? Zinc granules to it. Then what you will see? You will see the color of the solution will change. Color of the solution will change from blue to white. And some brown color mass will be formed over here. See, suppose you are asked to explain that what do you observe when you add zinc granules to copper sulfate solution. For this, first of all you will have to know zinc is more reactive than copper. Zinc is more reactive than copper. So what will happen if you are adding zinc granules to copper sulfate solution? This zinc granules will displace copper from copper sulfate solution and it will result into the formation of zinc sulfate plus copper. It is replacing copper from copper sulfate solution and it is forming zinc sulfate plus copper. Now, the color of zinc sulfate is white. So, the color of the solution changes to white, or you can say colorless. After adding zinc granules to copper sulfate solution, you will see that the blue color will change to colorless solution. Why it is changing? Because zinc is replacing copper and it is forming zinc sulfate plus copper. And this brown mass will be of copper. So, displacement reaction is a reaction in which atom of one element displaces another element from its solution, from its compound, and forms another compound. Again, you can take up another example, or this example also you can take up with some other metal. You can try. Suppose we are taking this copper sulfate solution. What is the color of this copper sulfate? It is blue color. Blue color. Now if you are adding iron powder, what you are adding? Iron powder. Then what will be the color of the solution? You will see that color will change to light green. Color of the solution will change to light green, and again you will get some mass over here, brown mass, that is of copper. Again I am explaining, if you add some iron particles or some iron powder to copper sulfate solution, then blue color of the copper sulfate solution changes to green. Why it changes? Because this iron, when added to copper sulfate, it displaces copper from copper sulfate and it forms ferrous sulfate plus copper. So the color of the copper sulfate was blue, but the color of ferrous sulfate is green. So you are getting green color over here. This is an example. These two are examples of displacement reaction. You can take up other examples also from your NCERT book. Only thing is that you will have to remember the reactivity series.